from the sparks, burning down everything above the underground. Then rise to the surface to find no lives to be found. Nothing but spirits and lost souls. These eyes have that look that nobody knows, turning heads like tornadoes with these flows. Give me one chance to drop these thoughts, lyrics like soil, so let your head be the pot. Plant the seed for the people to cop. Never before have they categorized and get with the hip hop. We still wanna change that, constantly trying to rearrange that. Gotta maintain that vibe we're trying to give off. Prepare for lift off to another town. We wanna keep the people from just standing around, so nod your head and prepare for the get down. Spit like foolies in the worst part of your town. You tripping on the echoes of the heat that I let go. Watch your mouth or get showered with the petrol. Showing up the spots right before they blow. We're having a tight grip on this, but your boys obviously already told you so. Your best bet's just to look and act like you know.
North to Alaska where my passion does reside, where we hardly have a summer, all we do is smoke and ride. We hate going to work and we never know the time. I got this obligation to operate on your mind. Cooperation will elevate your grind. If you watch the signs, watch for mine. From my album in 2005. If you ain't got the sticky icky, please don't waste my time. Watch the fallen angels cause they might just leave you blind. Always passing on groupies cause some chicks are hard to find. Spitting upon your reflection so you have no way to shine. How do you think I got all these people to memorize my lines? I'm metamorphosis of a channeling of the words. The chorus is the underlying chapter for the verse. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I'm drinking Heineken for the thirst. Thinking about grabbing the mic and letting off a burst. I stay way high, cause reality is the worst. These waves of emotion that devote me to my curse. I'm taking a little trip to the battle of the stars, so I can find the pain that's been trapped behind my scars. Honestly let you know that I'm back from the
in a conversation with myself, subjecting the things you set back. Overhead upon just contracts from perspectives of the future's past. An elusive passage to respect of death is relative. A cousin of the psyche, likely destined for a striking self-abuse. But in his circles, what is the purpose? Blowing a smoke ring leader. In his circles, resolving pacification, huh? Mind left behind, remnants of a falling tree. Echoes of my calling, bouncing off the atmosphere to me. I clearly see that there's distortion built internally. The urgency to breathe eternally. Fear and uncertainty. It's human nature in effect, deflecting the blame. Observing the lives around you, but we're all expecting the same. I've been there.
Also a 60-foot winch. That's the whole thing, and that's why I did it. Because you know what? That's still turned over. Oh, that's going. That's money. 2 cylinders. 2 cylinders. 3.
Tide of all babies dissolve the soul of the surface living inside. Are we alive? This final body settled the sediment. Our reference a perspective of fallen excess. The Oedipus complex reflect decline. The fifth of infestation that captures the cyanide. Disguise reside hiding under our tongues. New song jury to some. In case of emergency, I'm grinning with my jaw clenched. The fractured mass, words spoken in glass or past. Monochromatic pictures were painted in ash. The distant whispers, can we listen to the past? My vision mission spoken, listens now. Sketched upon organic tablets. Get this
forever into now. Blink to another epiphany, absorb and look around. The train of thought conveying the message via sound. It's round one, the philosophies of another mind ambiguous to some. Let it rain, let it wash away. Build another bridge we shall cross for the day. Watch the one unfold for we all present the rain. Teardrops to the flame. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain. Let it wash away. Build another bridge we shall cross for the day. Watch the one unfold for we all present the rain. Teardrops to the flame. Let it rain, let it rain. Scores for force, manipulated, chatter, fragment, fragile structure such as I. Tended to the open source, fester in the pestilence. An estimate of the ruffle speech, reach a peace. Shadows standing idle in the streets, so close, just a very far away. Perceiving black and white shades drawn, predicted to precipitate and precipice of passing destiny before the time at which we fall into a fate. Facing and escaping, take a chance. Jumping through conclusions of confusion, fusing back to fiction, mixing with the black depiction scriptures of my life. Shredded as they occupy my mind, space and time. Walk a fine line, am I alright? Still breathing, leaving remnants of a dream. The section in a requiem, a section of the brain. Grafted with the rapture for the laughs, leave the bodies in the wake. I'll be free or is a fate. Let it rain, let it wash away. Build another bridge we shall cross for the day. Watch the one unfold for we all present the rain. Teardrops to the flame. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain. Let it wash away. Build another bridge we shall cross for the day. Watch the one unfold for we all present the rain. Teardrops to the flame. Let it rain, let it rain.
Alright, man. 'Cause it's got lots of bottom.
Jealousy and envy gonna be the death of me cause of my destiny. Enemies keep on testing me, questioning their MCs to get the best of me. Obviously we MCs don't have the breath to speak. Jealousy and envy gonna be the death of me cause of my destiny. Enemies keep on testing me, questioning their MCs to get the best of me. Obviously we MCs don't have the breath to speak. I try to combine life's design in each rhyme in my mind to truly find reasons to cry. I won't comply with the reasons why, so I collapse. Got off my ass on the phone for cash, working the stash in and out like flash. I've enhanced my chance so my dreams last. As darkness fast, the light flash while your mind crash. I found my green grass, a reason to dance. Do what you can, here in the pen. I'm loving the cat, that's not why I rap. But if it was, you'd still be touched. Make a world a hug instead of thugs. Show me some love, the demons inside no longer reside. Only my shadow by my side. I battled the little guys, they could hear my screams and cries. My feelings revive, the words derive from the soul that I hide behind the box of thoughts inside. So if you want to test Alaska's best, let me see you shine. Only a broken spine reflecting in my open eyes. Jealousy and envy gonna be the death of me cause of my destiny. Enemies keep on testing me, questioning their MCs to get the best of me. Obviously we MCs don't have the breath to speak. Jealousy and envy gonna be the death of me cause of my destiny. Enemies keep on testing me, questioning their MCs to get the best of me. Obviously we MCs don't have the breath to
Thoughts
speak.
sharp as the rainfall, standing center as a whirl ball, spinning upon an axis, common thoughts gone for the time's real. Lines pulling at the moon, DAC. Man stands asymmetrically, identity phonetically, grounds unsettling the scene. The least born a sign, one of the same, running a day, light headed like a watchtower, drop shot of the shores, man the land, erosion exposing the metaphors of the chorus and constructing nothing in the destruction of another culture with the assumption that we're gonna take charge. Depth, so I'll hold my tongue like my breath as I step with the rest. A sore thumb, you wonder why they turn heads. Cold red, another false color that's collected in the spectrum. In other words, I stand with the sun to my back, silhouette to the world. The future of the night, shadows of a life.
Jealousy and envy gonna be the death of me cause of my destiny. Enemies keep on testing me, questioning their MCs to get the best of me. Obviously we MCs don't have the breath to speak. Jealousy and envy gonna be the death of me cause of my destiny. Enemies keep on testing me, questioning their MCs to get the best of me. Obviously we MCs don't have the breath to speak.
Sparking off and darkening my verse and spinning the words and weave a web with spinnerets and map the trap within the heads. The capture, the raptures, release, combat with laughter. The rafter, elevating this life into the night. Bright lights, crash and burn within the mid-flight. I'm staring you in the eyes, I'm stuck in insight. We settle scores of metaphors embedded or examine all the damages and use attraction like a fractured magnet. Words appeal and broken seals, wax hands, suss the real windowsills, trust kills, murder pain. Buried alive, deep within the inside, accelerate, exacerbate the weight within a sheltered fate. Wealth await, warm breaths, calling a name and speaking vain. When we're cutting through the facades, underneath we all look the same. Mirrors facing glass, broke today and fractured past. Living in a body of words and leave my flag at half-mast.
I'm a whisper in the breeze, I'm a tear that has to freeze. I'm polite without the please, I'm the devil on his knees. You're a flower without a seed, I'm a soldier who doesn't bleed. I got a heart that doesn't beat, I'm a son who lost his heat. I'm a whisper in the breeze, I'm a tear that has to freeze. I'm polite without the please, I'm the devil on his knees. You're a flower without a seed, I'm a soldier who doesn't bleed. I got a heart that doesn't beat, I'm a son who lost his heat. Retrieving tomorrow's yesterday, searching to find a better place. I'm traveling all through outer space, computing all the execution, developing in the mind pollutions of the use. Music choices, truth lost inside of the voices, rats and tiger, hidden dragon. You've been sleeping, I've been slacking, you've been macking, I've been creeping. Mission completed, kids are heated, need these words of feeding. So I'm walking the track back to the beginning of my attack. This